But guys, today we're gonna be playing some Teardown, so let's get into it. Make sure you subscribe, go and check out my dad's out. It's in the link in the description down below. And let's go right into it. If you guys want to play with us, go ahead and join our memberships. And I'm gonna need to do something real quick right now. So if you guys could just wait, it's like really quick. Hold up, almost done. And hold up, almost there. Bruh. Alright. Hold up, I gotta do this again. Because I accidentally clicked something. It's gonna be like really quick though, so like, if you didn't mind. Okay. And boom. Alright. Woo! Here we go. So we're gonna be usually in the bay bombs because they absolutely do insane amount of damage. So this is gonna be good. Alright, we're here. So we're gonna be in the building and seeing it. If this one's not good, then we destroy it. If that one's not good, we destroy it. If this one's not good, we destroy it. So if that one's not good, destroy. If it's not good, destroy. If it's not good, and destroy. If that's not good, and destroy. If that's not good, and destroy. So first one of the day. This one right here. First, let me just gotta get over here. So I like it. Pathway, a dirt pathway. I really like dirt pathways, by the way, because it's kind of woody, or like trees everywhere, and I like trees. Okay, what are we doing? So first of all, we have a very nice living room. With this, I have no idea what is this. Oh, it's the fridge. Okay, nice fridge. You go. I could fit some food in there. We got some drawers. Okay. We got a little chill out area in the view. Oh my gosh. That view right there. Oh my gosh. Maybe I want to show you this house. That view right there, bro, with the sunset, dude. That's crazy. And then we got going over here. What do we got going over here, huh? We have the shower. Yo. Bro. Why is there 3 showers? Can there only be like one person in this flipping bathroom, bro? That is not friendly. Okay, yeah, we're gonna get out of here. Yeah, no, just close that door. Yeah, just close it. Oh, there we go. Now it's time for the bedroom. This better be good. There's no bedroom. I mean, I would say it's a nice chill out area. So you're good. All right, you're good. I would like to have this house. Really nice. It's like let's get a construction team. So you're okay. Second one of all is this car. There's nice cars in it, but yeah. Bye. Have a great time. Alright, well, might as well just place one right here, place one right here, place one right here, and place one right here. And place one right here, place one right here, and place one right here, and place one right here. One in the middle, and one right here. Now, yeah. I'm going to snipe that from a far distance because I don't get too laggy. So, let's do this. Oh, bro, I would already be dead. I would already be dead if I jumped that high. Alright, here we go. Bye, have a great time. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, that is destroyed, alright. Next building we have is this one right here. So, I like it because I've been in this house before. It has a, I like it. Fits me, and I can put my foot on the ground. I would prefer it. So, yeah, we're good. Okay, so I like the pool. It has a van, and it has a little chill out area, and it has a monster truck. I like the van. I like the chill out area. Ooh, nice. All right, we gotta go quick though. Ooh, garage classics. All right, classics ain't bad. Oh, that's pretty good, bro. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. All right, closets. Okay, that's second floor. Really nothing up here. Just a nice view. Balcony. All right, this one's good. Let's get out of here now. But the most sturdy one of all, I don't like that room. Because it's messy on the bed. So, sorry. We're gonna have to go through these things quick. First, let's try. Okay, I can. There we go. Alright, well, that's another one. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah. Alright, well, all the other stuff is good because those two buildings were sucked. And the arcade is still good. So, no! I knew that was gonna destroy that one. Dang it. Okay, guys, that's gonna do it. If you guys enjoyed this video, if you guys enjoyed, make sure to like, subscribe, go check out that, so it's in the link in the description down below. And I'm getting out. Peace.